Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 Harris pontoon. It's a 210 cruiser, so it's a 21-foot pontoon. Comes with two tunes. This is the fish and cruise package, so it has fishing seats as well as loungers. Comes with a 60 horsepower Mercury engine. Moving to the front of this fish cruise model, you have two lounger seats here in the front. You have recessed cup holders, which is nice to keep them out of the way, as well as being able to lounge in comfort. Here in the rear, we have four fishing chairs. We have a little bait station here with a live well, as well as a spot on the top here to measure your fish. We have rod holders in the rear, as well as attachments that can go on in this spot to hold your rod as well. Here at the helm, we have your general tacks. You got a Fusion head unit, 4 Fusion speakers, and a Lawrence fish finder. Again, this is our fish cruise. My name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.